Hi, it's the Forest Daughter. It's the end of March. I'm starting out a new project and I wanted to show you some stacked and belled tags. These are awesome. They're Robin Hood-like, but they're actually called Crown and Cloak by SugarPepperPress. So I added these to some decorative papers and stacked them and trimmed corners and added jingle bells. So here we have 3 tags, a little square one, and then I tied them loosely enough with twine that they're easy to flip. This one I added the yarn and the little decorative strawberries. I added a little piece here to hide the circle punch hole mark that was on the tags themselves. Because it was too big, I used a tinier hole and I didn't want the white circle there, so I covered it with a pretty piece of paper. Isn't that gorgeous? Just look at that. Again, this is Crown and Cloak Ephemera by SugarPepperPress on Etsy. Added some decorative papers to the back and a little bit of fussy cutting. So it's just a fun little stack. And here's another one using mostly the SugarPepperPress. And again, I've hidden the holes because they were simply too large. Added fine twine and little tiny dark colored jingle bells with a really pretty sound. A couple of different kits used here for decorative paper, and I'll include those in the notes. And here's another set of 3. Doesn't it look like there's a mystery going on? Here's obviously the princess or the queen, and a writer has dropped off a sealed message. And what is going on? I want to know. Decorative. This says breathe, a tiny bit of fussy cutting. Just neat little packs. Easy to take out and play with. All right, thanks for joining me.